Where you go? Pass it later. Yeah. Eh? I like road now, so you can't compare me. Need somebody to help me, you can't compare me. Eh? Buy a piece of pork down there for me and a fritters. Yeah? Quarter pound of pork and a fritters. Make sure you're born tonight.
You rate them dog. Yes sir? You rate them dog.
I'm going to be here with them, man.
Yes sir?
You know every day we have to wear them. Be talking and get.
Yeah.
Jay-Z!
Yes sir.
Jay-Z, tell them to your foot not cheesy.
Oh man, this is a teetable.
Jay-Z, send me 120 money gun them, G. Help the people them tonight. If we get 70,000 coin tonight, the people them can see live free. Help them. Jaden there, Jay-Z.
Huh?
Help them, Jay-Z. Don't move, Jay-Z. Help the sufferer them. Me a suffer.
Yo, you saw me I tell you that? Yeah, if I miss that, you know. Yeah, so me I'll show you, bro. Dog, you saw me I'll show you. I try to Romeich to be.
Alright, my bro. You know. Send it, man. Anything at all. Appreciate it.
So if they what you go to the people in the mind small, you the man just say, help the sufferer them. Nobody know about your bumbo.
You shouldn't say that.
Who?
You can't cuss the people in. Them always right.
Who cuss? Me not cuss them.
Yeah, you tell them say them are wicked.
No, brother, me not cuss them, bro.
And their mind small. You can tell them that Jesus, big up in my G.
Me not cuss them, brother.
Them? Yo, you can't win social media.
Me not try win. Them alright, bro.
Them bill we and them kill we and them pill we.
So get big like you still, man.
A big man. But I have an idea if you understand, say you doing TikTok is not them doing favor for you, or you are do favor for we, you know. You entertain we, you make we live life, you make we enjoy ourselves, you make we laugh, you make we smile. That priceless.
You know that?
Yeah, man. My boy come back, dog. You see me I say?
Yeah.
You have to understand that and people for know that if we got a theatre right now, we have to pay $2,000 for go watch one show. But we might drop asleep and I don't enjoy ourselves. But we live on live, I watch your brother. I want to tell you, man. Your costume them not come free, you know. Remember say you know as much as them don't want to say it, you know. Remember say you make enough TikToker come to Jamaica, you know. I used to set to your party and we have birthday history tonight, you know. Rain and shine, you know. Oh, feel like you're going to run rebel. One rebel, I say. Anything else a treble. But this rebel a gunshot too. No, yeah. Don't be, don't. Papa beard! That is it. See the people who got 28 money gun.
2 more than 30.
So, yes, I say I have to reach on 60 money gun. A live viewing tonight. Live viewing.
Oh yeah, put your phone on the something that make it
stage, I make them see what I go and I walk around and chat to people. I make them see the star them. And that be do your party, man. Life go all the way up to must about 7,000 or something like that. Yo, them something no normal, no, brother. You have to understand, say, my life no normally go over 1,000. If me a chat mix up, you go 2 or 3, you know. So I uno do them in a star, you know. You and Jaden and 6, you know, and a star. Uno do them something, so on the star, whatever that name company is, just bring over this. So no artist can do that.
I tell a man that last night.
If yo, you have some artists right now.
Can't go live and get 1,000.
What? They can't even get 50, they can't even get 500 likes. Them have to act. When them acting at them prime, them you get it. But if them fall out, them can't get it.
So who you say? So my TikTok are them hotter than some artists?
Me not ask. Me not business. No. You're going to nobody can do me no. I show. Enough for them. You know so much artists of fair run come over here. But I truth.
But and on TikTok, but only for artists and
there's a difference, right? There's a difference of coming on TikTok and acting like a streamer, and there's a difference of come on TikTok and promote your music. Two different something.
Yeah.
You have some people make a buy cheer and sit down and this and that and dip on this. Bro, you sit down and come and hold a vibe with your fans and make them know who you is and feel a vibe, but you don't need to do over here every day or every week.
Yeah.
As I say, dog, so you just have to know the difference. You come over here and say, yo, people, listen to my new song. When I think about this, people, when I think for changing this, I saw the artists them for deal with it. But they want to come sit down and go like them want to take it over. Them can't take it over. They must say me some money come and say see me back for the rest of the year next year.
I know me not say back after this. I don't even say. The mother pretty.
No, me I stay with them till we cook out.
No. After this, you not say what is my way. Blood clot October. If you may eat that, I don't terrible that. After this, I not so happy.
Yeah, but they must see me because I have cook out.
You say all who right now, you better go and link him from now. After this.
I have cook out to keep, man. I go on with a vibe with them. But after January, maybe about March before I come back.
Oh, guys. Lala there, Jamaica. Guys, Lala there, I call her.
And people are local. You show them no Lala?